What's up, guys? We'll give it a minute. Let everybody join. What's up, guys? Almost ready. Just trying to help somebody find the Facebook feed. They're having a hard time finding it. So 1 second. All right. Appreciate you guys buying in. This is 5 mega boxes of Bowman 2020 Bowman Chrome. We'll go ahead and get started. Here's what we got: Diamondbacks, Eric; Orioles, Terry; Red Sox, White Sox, Guillermo; Cubs, Jeffrey, MOR; Reds, Guillermo; Indians and Rockies, Matt C; Tigers, Alex; Astros, James; Royals, Christopher; Angels, William; Dodgers, Guillermo; Marlins, Eric S; Brewers, Christopher; Twins, Matt; Yankees, Craig; Mets, Douglas; A's, Craig; Phillies, Eric; Pirates, Craig; Padres, Christopher; Giants, Guillermo; Mariners, Craig; Cardinals, William; Rays, Craig; Rangers, Blue Jays, Guillermo; Nationals, William. All right, we'll get going here. Do appreciate you guys buying in. If you haven't already done so, if you would please like and follow my Facebook page, Cook's Card Breaks. That'll let me inform you guys whenever we're doing any kind of Facebook breaks. Like to do more Facebook breaks as it'll save us all a little bit of money. Get off the eBay. Empty box. All right, empty box. And these has each of these boxes contain two packs of the Mojo refractors. It's five regular packs and 2 packs of the Mojo refractors. So let's hope we can pull a big one tonight. Empty. All right, all the cards will ship as well. We'll get those out in the next couple days. For the sake of time, I'm not going to sleeve every rookie or every card as we go. I'll go back and empty box. I'll go back and penny sleeve and top load all the big hits and all the big name rookies before I ship them out. Just for the sake of time, we won't sit here and do it on the break. Empty. All right, we'll do the Mojos last. Go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. All right, box number 1. Good luck. Murphy, Dustin May, Arenado, and we got a Kyle Lewis, a rookie, Trey Mancini, Akiyama, Matthew Boyd, Mancini, Kikuchi, Lindor, Zach Collins, Justin Dunn, Zach Gallen, Anthony Kay, and Aristides Aquino, another Zach Collins, another Justin Dunn, Alfaro, Fernando Tatis Jr., Guerrero Jr., Alzolay, Bregman, Berrios, Kikuchi, Lindor. Had a lot of doubles in that box. It's weird. Kyle Lewis. All right, box number 2. All right, Rosario, Hoskins, Aaron Judge, Tim Anderson, Alfaro, Arenado, Mookie Betts, Jose Abreu, Josh Bell, Willie Calhoun, Blake Snell, Rendon, Yu Chang, Clevenger, Soto, Bogarts, Verlander, got a Gavin Lux, Tatis, Guerrero, DeGrom, Machado, Sheldon Neuse, had a Bo Bichette rookie, and a Rosarena rookie. Much better box than the first one. I've seen a lot of doubles though. It's kind of odd. And Gavin Lux. All right, box number 3. All right, here we go. Yelich, Hoskins, McKay, Dubon, Anthony K, Votto, Perez, Rosario, Gonsolin, Mike Trout, Alex Young, Akiyama, Matthew Boyd, Yamamoto, Goldschmidt, Dylan Cease, Nico Horner, JD Martinez, Freddie Freeman, Guerrero, got another Gavin Lux rookie, Brian Reynolds, Lindor, Alfaro, Tatis. Man, that's crazy. We've seen like 3 or 4 of these cards 3 or 4 times already. It's good for some, not good for others. All right, box 4. All right, box 4, good luck. Yelich, Simeon, Longoria, Josh Bell, Willie Calhoun, Matthew Boyd, Rosario, Vogelbach, Bryce Harper, Cody Bellinger, Alex Young, Votto, Salvador Perez, Miggy, Abreu, Nico Horner, Akiyama, another Aquino, and another Kyle Lewis, Mancini, Verlander, another Gavin Lux, Dylan Cease, Bryce Harper, Cody Bellinger. Lux is coming up big. All right, last box before the Mojo Refractors. Jeez. All right, last box. Good luck. Dylan Cease, Alex Young, Vogelbach, Harper, Bellinger, Bogarts, Verlander, another Gavin Lux, Abreu, Josh Bell, Verlander, another Gavin Lux, another Aquino, another Kyle Lewis, Mancini, Rosario, Hoskins, Aaron Judge, Bellinger, Cabrera, Yelich, Simeon, Longoria, Guerrero, Goldschmidt. Wow. Hang on one second, guys. Let me plug my camera in. Sleeve these up. Can't believe we had 2 Luxes in the same box, but I've seen this in other mega boxes, very similar, where you have a lot of duplicates. It's kind of crazy. I don't know how they box these things up, but I've seen that before. All right, guys, we got Mojo refractor packs. We'll go ahead and crack those. Good luck to everybody. We'll do half at a time. Beautiful cards. All right, here we go. First half of the Mojo refractors. All these will be sleeved up as well, guys, before I ship them out. Castellani, Steele Walker, Donna Glory Bart, Kalinick, Seth Corey, Moniak, Dylan Carlson. Hey, we got an auto. Kanan Smith to the Yankees. Going to Craig. Nice hit, Craig. Mojo refractor auto to the Yankees. That's it. All right, Tristan McKenzie, Tyler Stevenson, Luis Garcia, Sam Huff, Donna Glory Duran, Rutherford, Perdomo, Jackson Coar, Lutz, Donna Glory Ryan, Shane Baz, Cavaco, Julio Rodriguez, Brujan, Donna Glory Vaughn, Monty Harrison, Cartea. All right, last half of the Mojo refractors. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Luis Garcia, Sam Huff, and we got a purple Mojo Dane Dunning, not numbered, and we got a Bayron Lora to the Rangers. Nice hit. Nice card. It's got the Rangers. Guillermo, congrats, Guillermo. All right, Tim Kate, Reddish Nova, Castellani, Lodolo Donna Glory, Fredo. I see a pink coming up here. Santillan, Malone, Capisano, another Laura. Rangers are on fire. Very nice. Jackson Coar, Lutz, McCarthy, Keibert Ruiz, and a pink Francisco Alvarez, not numbered, to the Mets. Matt Manning, Isbell, Sam Huff, Nova, and a Lewin Diaz auto. Wow, that's a big hit right there. Our next card's a big hit too. Save that one. Wow, this is the third auto I pulled of him in the last week. Lewin Diaz, Mojo Refractor Auto to the Marlins. And Eric. Nice hit, Eric. Picked that up on Facebook. Very nice. Wow. Wow. All right, and our last two. We got a Dominguez Mojo Refractor. To the Yankees. Yankees had a good hit. Yeah, I saw that, Eric. That's a nice hit. Very nice. I don't know why I'm sleeving that up. All right, guys. Again, I will sleeve up all these Mojos before I ship them out. All the big name rookies I'll ship or sleeve up as well. Real quick, do a recap. Had a Dominguez Mojo. Had two Laura Mojo refractors. Then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Gavin Lux base. Aquino 1, 2, 3 Aquino base. Kyle Lewis 1, 2, 3 Kyle Lewis base. A Bichette and an Arozarena. Hey, thanks again for buying in, guys. I'll get these shipped out in the next couple days. If you haven't already done so, please remember to follow me or like my Facebook page, Cook's Card Breaks. Thanks again, and we'll see everybody next time. Have a good night.